Hello all. In this video, we'll be talking about slope of equipotential line and electric field lines. Okay, so let's imagine there is a electric field in the region, something like this. Okay, and there are corresponding equipotential surfaces. Okay, something like this. You know that these field lines are going to be perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces. This is our electric field line, electric lines of force, and these are equipotential surfaces. Okay, now when I talk about the slope of the equipotential line or the electric field lines, I'm talking about the tangents of them. Okay, so if I select one particular point, let's say I take this particular point, use another color, let's say this particular point, and this one right here. So point P. Okay. So just look at point P. At point P, what is the electric field line? Electric field line is like this. Okay. And the equipotential surface is like this. Okay. Now, if I draw the tangent to the electric field line at point P, you can see that it is this one right here. What is this? This is the tangent to the electric lines of force, electric field line, and this right here is the tangent to the equipotential surface. Okay, this one is the tangent to the equipotential surface. So I want to find the direction of or the slopes of these two. Now the idea is that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So if I say that the slope of this is m1 and the slope of this is m2, I can say that m1 into m2 is equal to -1. They have this is the slope. M1 into the product of their slopes is going to be equal to -1. All right. Now, which one is easier to calculate? Now, if you look at it, the tangent to the electric field line or the electric line of force also gives you the direction of electric field vector. Okay, so that is the electric field vector at that point. This is our point, by the way. This right here is the point. Okay, point P. Right. So in 2D plane, and this is specifically for the 2D plane. So in 2D, what is the electric field vector? Electric field vector is Ex I cap plus Ey j cap. All right. So what would be M1? M1 is going to be equal to M1 would be equal to M1 is going to be equal to tan theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle made with the x-axis. Let's call this theta, tan theta, and this is going to be equal to Ey by Ex. is going to be equal to Ey by Ex. If you want an explanation for that, you can just look at this one. Just a moment. This slope is m1. I can break this into two parts. This vector into two parts. This is the x component and this is the y component. Okay, so you can see that this is the Ey and this is Ex, and this angle is theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Ey over Ex. This is the x axis. Okay, x direction. Now so there you have it. This is m1 is equal to Ey by Ex. And what about m2? So m2 is simply, if this is the x axis, let's call this angle phi. So it is going to be tan phi, and it is going to be negative of m1 negative of 1 by m1. So it's going to be minus Ex by Ey. Okay, now how do you use this information to calculate the the curve of these two? Means, I mean, how do you use this information to find the curve of equipotential surface and electric field line? So if I want to find the curve of electric field line, or basically equation of electric field line, so you can see that dy by dx for the electric field line is going to be equal to what? Ey by Ex, which is simply, which I can write as dy over Ey is equal to dx over Ex. And when I integrate this, I'll get y as a function of x, which is going to be the equation of electric field line. Now similarly, if I try to find the curve of equipotential surface, dy by dx is going to be equal to dy by dx is going to be equal to minus Ex by Ey, and from there you will get integral Ey dy is equal to minus integral Ex dx, which again is going to give you another function, just a moment, which again will give you sorry about this. Bad at using spaces. So from here I'll get a new function. Let's call it y is equal to g of x, and that is going to be the equation of equipotential surface. Okay, I hope you understood this concept.